Hello everyone, today is my next video on YouTube channel and the today's date was 19th of May, and I have opened this channel for the communication as you have known for my first video. And what is my learning for today's so that I recognize that what I am learning from that. Today I read a book 4 hour in a day. The book says that the change that you have come to in your life or the change in your lifestyle, but only by taking the action. Because if you are manifesting yourself that you will change your lifestyle by assuming that I can do this, I can do this in your mind only, you couldn't be able to change, or just manifesting in your mind and repeating the thoughts again and again. If you don't manifesting just to take on the action, that would be taken to be great change in your life. Because every day you have learn and improve yourself, because you are one of the person who can be create very much creative into the world. Because no one to be as this book has said that no one becoming to be a rich or very much healthier family from them. But the thing is that you have to becoming to be a great onto the platform that you have, or sorry, or you have to work upon yourself or doing to be not for the retirement. Because if you are doing the work just only for the passing the exam or taking the degrees or not doing anything, if you are waiting for it, so that I will go for it and grab it, and not wanted to work as much as you want. So that the book says that to express in my words that the trap is for the middle class was not to be ended simultaneously. Because any of the job would not pay the millions or the billions of dollar to any of the person. The salary was the fixed, and it will be only to be grab the salary to just only for the eating purpose or just for the clothing purpose, not earn the money as much as you can. The first of all, the thing the book I read, I recognize in my mind that the book says that the author says that why you are just to try to just go for the salaries that you want, or just to for the monthly paying for yourself. You want to work at the place where to not to invest your full of the time, but you have to invest not more than 2 hours of your time. But the time will be decreases as you have get experience in this field. But first of all, you have to pay yourself per day or hourly, so that the value of time could be remembered to yourself. By reading this book, I have recognized that don't let down for the time. Because if you are involved into the time, that you will start whenever you have to these things or these things. So that you have manifesting that I buy the smartphone, best smartphone, I buy the iPhones or buy the laptop, then I will start, then is to be very much late for yourself. Because first of all, I have to let's suppose I wanted to become to be a best English conversation, or best try to speak in fluent English conversation with any one of them. If I wanted to talk with any one of them, or any one of them who are in my friend circle who was not able to try to speak in English, but I will try, so that they will not be able to reach myself. But the thing that I wanted to reach, I wanted to that I speak in English and upload the video onto the YouTube, so that many more people can watch the videos and recognize me. So that this would be the best ways. But the thing that if I manifested that I couldn't be use the smartphone or upload the videos, because my voice was not too good very much, or my camera quality was not very also much very good, and I was not too good in facing the camera, and many more of the things. So that if I manifesting such a thing, then I couldn't try to change my lifestyle, or couldn't to try to change my the hobbies or the habits. First of all, I recognize in my mindset that first of all, any of the thing that you want to change in your life, or in your lifestyle, but the just a single thing that to take into the action by reading as watching from the many of the creators. I think I experienced, or I gained some knowledge that first of all, you have to do work much more as you can, as you will. You have to sacrifice your life. You sacrifice your the good habits that you want come out from the come out you have to come out from the comfort zone to uncomfort zone that you may be like don't like to it, but this lifestyle becoming to be a great wealthier people among of them. uh, the very much unicorn companies management CEOs, or many of the people who were making millions or crores or lakhs in a year or in a month, so that they have a common thing in that the changing in his lifestyle. First of all, the lifestyle, if you have changed by taking the action, by doing the most of work, or by doing lots of work, you have to create a environment in your side that you will do much more than ever. Let's coming to the point that the book says that just to take action and take a change in your lifestyle, that because anyone in the person, any person who was very much creative, but the thing that who doesn't make a money, because as a quote says that and a person who says that to live as a human, you need to air, water, food and money, because these four things was very much necessary for the survival. If you have no clothes, you can be survive. If you have no space for living, you can survive in the temples or in any of the places, dargahs. But you have no money, no food, no air, no water, then you could not know, then you could not survive. So that money is very much necessary, and to spend money is very much necessary to becoming to be a richer person. First of all, you have to change your mindset, because the mindset of middle class people was not to just spend money, because they wanted to save the money and not to work much more. This was the middle class thinking about in his mind, that never wanted to take changes in self, and not wanted to get new knowledge, new acquirements, new things to him and himself, so that to be created more effective than this. The first that from fewer days, I try to take a design a thumbnail from for many of them, so that I created a YouTube channel to take a practice for 30-day challenge to 30 thumbnails per day. And I also mentioned in my LinkedIn channel, my LinkedIn channel was known as Devendra Creates, as you have noticed it. The thing that the much more practice, the always have to say that if you are master in your job, first of all you have to be take much more practice upon it. Anyone who becoming to be rich, first he has to be change his mindset or change his lifestyle, because of his changing the lifestyle by changing his mindset. Because by taking the action, don't manifesting it, always says that lots of work doing again and again, and not to depending upon the work. Just work for a 4 hour and doing much more and more, billionaire, millionaire, and again. Never trust the work that you have taken, but because if you want to do a work such thing happened that the work was gone off and you will not be able to take the job as much as the longer, so that you have no money, no inside the nothing to do, nothing you have to be explained. So that the thing is that first of all you have to be take a creative skills in with you, that the if you have no job and nothing of the thing will be happen, then you have something creative skills that no then another person who has nothing, so that you will earn money from this skill. And this may happen, this may helping you lots of lots through you, sorry, uh, by taking the decisions you have to be just becoming to be a great knowledge upon it, and lots of things that could be happen by just you seeking into the field, by taking lots of effort to it. Because if you want to do change in your lifestyle, just you have to do it for it, and currently now do. Money is necessary because more people was getting rich day by day because of internet connection, and everyone has the smartphone who will watch the videos and do the make the videos or doing the money more creative skills, or providing the service, selling the product and earn money. But the middle class trap was only to just to get into the service, earn the money, not more to be very much, but a single rupee just for not more than 10,000 in a month, or 18,000 in a month, or 20,000, not more to be sufficient to his himself. Because if you want because every person has a dreaming that dreams to fulfill himself to be becoming to be rich, not rich but have a car himself to roar into the road, or having a bike to roar into the road, or wanted to visit the many of the places. But into the case of money, there was having very lesser amount of money in presence of them, so that they was living their dreams. They would not live their dreams because of their lack of money.